Signs you are in the best relationship. Effective and open communication. This means that you are free to talk to your partner about things going on in and with your life. You can discuss everything from the little issues concerning your day, the stress, your funny colleague, an annoying client, the business, and all of that. You can also discuss very important issues such as the state of your health, family problems, finances, and other matters. Your relationship should be a safe place, a home where you are free to be and express yourself. You're not scared of being judged or condemned for speaking your mind, and you are allowed to have an opinion of your own. Communication is a two-way thing. In the same way you express yourself without holding back, you should be able to get the same response from your partner as well. Many people around the globe just need someone with whom they can talk to. Someone who listens to them, express their minds without being judgmental. Many cases of depression or suicides, as well as divorces, would have been avoided if there was effective communication between people, which involves getting your point across and being understood. When you can express yourself, communicate freely with your partner, and get the same thing from their end, it's a sign of a beautiful relationship. Number 2, there is trust. Next to love, trust is very important in any relationship. Some would even say that trust is more important. Whichever way, the fact that you trust your partner and they trust you in return says a lot about that relationship. That means you can be at rest wherever you are with the assurance that they are not pursuing someone else out there or accepting other people's proposals. It means you do not have to be with them all the time to ensure they remain yours. You can trust that they will be faithful to you no matter the situation and circumstances. Whatever they tell you will always tally with what they are actually doing, so you don't have to go through the stress of wanting to know or watch their every move. If they have work late at the office and they tell you so, you would not be bothered that they are spending time with someone else. Trust goes both ways. You trusting your partner and them trusting you, and it involves more than just their fidelity. Can you trust them with your money, business, family, or your life? And do they trust you in the same way? When you trust them, you are at peace wherever you are with the certainty that they have got your back and you can always count on them any time of the day. Besides, nothing anyone says out there can get you perturbed because you have a strong foundation based on trust. Number 3, mutual affection. Love should never be one-sided in a relationship. You deserve to be with someone you love and who loves you in return. A situation where one makes all the efforts and sacrifices in a relationship is not ideal at all. It makes the other person feel unloved or merely tolerated. There is joy, happiness, and fulfillment that comes from knowing that your partner loves you just as much as you love them. And this love will be evident in the things they do, the way they act around you, the things they say, and the effort they put into making the relationship work. If you and your partner are truly in love with each other, that is the best kind of relationship you can have. You will not feel unnecessarily frustrated because your affections and your efforts are not being appreciated or returned. You also feel secure in their love. The truth is that a relationship where you merely tolerate your partner or are being tolerated would soon make you wary. If you do not love them so much, you might find it difficult to reciprocate their energy or appreciate what they do. They will be the one making all the calls, buying the gifts, sending text messages, and asking the questions. In short, they do all the work, and ultimately, they might begin to resent your indifference and problems begin to grow the relationship. We see an example in the love story of Jacob, Rachel, and Leah. Jacob merely tolerated Leah because he had no choice, but the person he loved was Rachel. The effect of this could be seen later on in their marriage. If you find someone who loves you just as much as you love them, you are in the best relationship. Number 4, peace of mind. Nothing can replace the peace a person can have in a relationship. Some people would even give up love, romance, and other things just to experience peace. It's the hallmark of a beautiful relationship. What's the point of having high-end romance, experiencing strong emotions, or having brief spurts of happiness when the rest of the time is filled with fights and conflicts? When you are with the right person, you will experience peace, no matter the circumstances or the situation. Proverbs 21:9 says, "It is better to dwell in a corner of the housetop, on the flat oriental roof, exposed to all kinds of weather, than in a house shared with a nagging, quarrelsome, and fault-finding woman." Whether man or woman, your peace of mind is very important, and you need it within or outside the relationship. You should be at rest, knowing that you are with the right person and knowing you can come home to a place of rest. This is another sign that you are in the best relationship. Number 5. Happiness, joy, and fulfillment. This is something everyone hopes to experience in a relationship. Being in the right kind of relationship with the right person will bring you joy. It's something you experience when you newly fall in love, and hopefully throughout the relationship. Whenever you think of that person, a smile steals over your face, and when you are with them, you experience the pure bliss of being in love. In this best kind of relationship, you will not feel depressed, bored, or unsatisfied. You experience continuous happiness and become fulfilled. You look forward to spending time with your partner and sharing your life with them. If you are not married, you look forward to the day when you can be together forever. You will also have fulfillment because you help each other become better. It's like living your best life. Number 6. You have the approval of people around you. Although there are so many deceptive relationships out there where other people envy the kind of relationship a person seems to have with his or her partner, but things are not going so well. The approval of people around you can also be a sign that you are in a good relationship, as long as you're not merely making appearances to please the public. Sometimes people see and make observations that we ourselves may be blind to. What your parents, friends, mentor, spiritual head, and other people around you have to say about your relationship can tell you if you are in the best relationship for you or not. Do they approve of the kind of intimacy you share? Do they encourage you to continue with that person? Are they pleased with what they see? Or are they concerned that things might not work out in the end? As much as we do not expect everybody to give their approval or be happy about our relationships, there are certain people you should be able to trust their opinion. The Bible says that there is safety in the multitude of counselors. Check out what people are saying about your relationship. A good report is indicative of a beautiful relationship. Number 7. The relationship is not abusive. Relationships should be geared towards the growth and support of the individuals involved. There should be no form of abuse, be it physical, emotional, or psychological. Relationships should not be manipulative in any way, and both partners should have equal rights as well as freedom. Even as partners, there should be a form of interdependence that allows both parties to live their individual lives without hindrances or limitations. That means you can have your own friends, spend time alone, and pursue your personal goals and interests. Signs of toxicity, which include possessiveness, irrational jealousy, isolation, talking down on your partner, and others, are things that represent an unhealthy relationship. The absence of these things in your relationship is a sign of a healthy relationship, the best you can have. Number 8, you can laugh and have fun together. With all the troubles and stress of the modern world, it is important to find time to relieve stress and have fun with each other. Apart from discussing important issues, there should be activities in the relationship. You should be able to laugh together, have fun, go on dates, and spend time together. There should be things that you do to spice up the relationship. You can go on vacations, have adventures together, and create memories. These are things that make a relationship fun and interesting. There should be a level of flexibility and shared humor. Even in the difficult times, your ability to laugh and make jokes can make all the difference. Besides, your partner should be more like a best friend than a business partner, someone whom you can tell and share anything with. This is the kind of person you have a secret joke with that nobody else knows about. It's a sign that you are in the best relationship.